हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं अंकित सिंह स्वागत करता हूं आप सभी का आपके अपने चैनल KCL ट्यूटोरियल में। आज की क्लास में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं फार्माकोलॉजी का ड्रग यूज्ड इन कंजेस्टिव हार्ट फेलियर के पार्ट 1 के बारे में। ओके, आज की क्लास में हम डिस्कस करेंगे 30 क्वेश्चन के बारे में। आपको करना ये है, वीडियो पॉज करना है, क्वेश्चन को अच्छे से पढ़ना है और राइट आंसर चूज़ करना है। ओके, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Which among the following is the best inotrope drug for use in right heart failure? And the right answer is D. Sorry friends, यहाँ पे कुछ मिस्टेक की वजह से F हो गया है। And the right answer is D. Milrinone. Next question is, all of the following are seen in digitalis toxicity except, and the right answer is B. Proximal atrial tachycardial with fast ventricular rate. Next question is, all are true about starting of beta blocker therapy in a patient with congestive heart failure except, and the right answer is A. They should be started with optimum doses. Next question is, drug used to reverse remodeling of heart in congestive cardiac failure are all except, and the right answer is C. Digoxin. And the fifth question is, all of the following drugs are used for the treatment of congestive heart failure except, and the right answer is D. Trimetazidilin. And next question is, digoxin toxicity is increased by all except, and the right answer is B. Hyperkalemia. Next question is, which of the following is a venodilators? And the right answer is C. Nitroprusside. Next question is, all of the following statement about nerecidine are true, and the right answer is C. It can be administered orally. Next question is, all following drugs have significant drug interaction with digoxin except, and the right answer is D. Amlodipine. Next question is, digoxin is contraindicated in, and the right answer is D. Hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy. Next question is, digoxin is not indicated in, and the right answer is C. High output failure. Next question is, digoxin action is not affected in, and the right answer is hepatic disease A. Next question is, BPN is degraded by and the right answer is A. Neutral endopeptidase. Next question is drug used in CHFR, and the right answer is A. Nesritide. Next question is digoxin toxicity is aggravated by, and the right answer is A. Hypokalemia. And next question is arteriolar dilators used in treatment of CHF include, and the right answer is A. Hydralazine. Next question is drugs that have been found to be useful in compensated heart failure include all of the following except, and the right answer is C. Beta receptors agonist. Next question is which of the following conditions increases the risk of digoxin toxicity, and the right answer is A. Administration of quinidine. Next question is drug that reduced myocardial remodeling in CHF include all of the following except, and the right answer is B. Digoxin. Next question is drug associated with clinically useful or physiologically important positive inotropic effect include all of the following except, and the right answer is B. Enalapril. Next question is which of the following is a monovalent cation that can reverse a digital induced arrhythmia, and the right answer is D. Potassium. Next question is an increase in heart rate and renin release seen in patient of CHF can be overcome by which of the following drugs, and the right answer is B. Metoprolol. Next question is which of the following is the drug of choice in treating suicidal overdose of digitoxin, and the right answer is A. Digibind antibodies. Next question is angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors are useful in congestive heart failure S, and the right answer is A. First choice drug useless contraindicated. Next question is the most important channel of elimination of digoxin is, and the right answer is A. Glomerular filtration. Next question is advantage of using digoxin in CHF is, and the right answer is A. It is used to provide relief of symptoms. Next question is digitalis is used in the treatment of acute CHF. It can also be used as a long-term maintenance therapy if CHF is associated with, and the right answer is C. Atrial fibrillation. Next question is which of the following drugs can prolong survival in patient with CHF, and the right answer is C. Losartan. Next question is a patient of atrial fibrillation is on digoxin therapy. Which of the following response do you accept? And the right answer is C. Increase in atrial fibrillation frequency but decrease in ventricular rate. Next question is the diuretic of choice for rapid relief of congestive symptoms in a patient of CHF is, and the right answer is B. फ्यूरोसेमाइड। ये रहे दोस्तों सारे क्वेश्चन के आंसर, और ये हैं फ्रेंड मिस कविता सिंह फाफामऊ प्रयागराज से, शंभुनाथ इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फार्मेसी से, जिन्होंने हमें ये पीपीटी भेजा है। अगर आप भी हमसे जुड़ना चाहते हैं, पीपीटी भेजना चाहते हैं, तो अनुराग सर से चैट करना चाहते हैं तो आप व्हाट्सएप भी कर सकते हैं और फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर पे फॉलो भी कर सकते हैं। तो थैंक यू सो मच। आज के लिए बस इतना ही।